Curls Beauty.
Hey beauties, Andre. I went to New York on my way to my vacation. One of the places I went was New York, and it was so cold at night, and it was really rainy end of June, and my hair got messed up, so I didn't even last 2 days. Done, it got messed up. So now it's been like a week, or about to be 2 weeks now. It don't matter because it got messed up in the first week that I straightened it, so it didn't really matter. You know, when it's humid outside, it's very rainy, sometimes you get a sprinkle of water in there, so this straight hair is not even straight no more. Yes, right now I am in Maryland or Washington, one of them put together, so whatever. I think Washington. This is the place we're staying at. It's really nice, really nice. It's not what I would like. I would like an open space with 2 bedrooms on 1 floor, not all this, because you know my kids falling down the stairs and stuff or whatever. Another thing that I didn't like is the fact that it doesn't have a wash and dryer in the building. It does surrounding the area right here on the same hotel space, but I just want one inside, like what I'm used to. We do this every year. So let me try these bangs. Bangs, yes, I got bangs. I've never thought I would. I'm waiting for curly bangs, okay guys? But these are, of course, from Irresistible. Me, you guys know I've worked with this brand so many times on my channel. And this time, I got bangs. Let me open. Of course, it's sealed off. I have to open it. I did pick in natural black, which my color right now is natural black, and it's a little bit on the brown side. The lighting's not letting it show, but hopefully we'll be able to get it better. It comes in a little net, which you have to take it out right here. Yes, I am traveling. Let me see how it looks. It's really soft. The one thing I like about Irresistible Me is that their extensions are not thin. I am expecting, even with their bangs, not to be too thin. So I am glad. Look at this thickness. It's really good. And of course not straight down, which I was so afraid. I was really afraid to open the box. I never did. I just did on camera in front of you guys, because I was like, wait a minute, if this is gonna be straight, I'm gonna have a problem, because I'm not really good with scissors, okay? And we're gonna figure this out together and work with me. Oh no, wait. Okay, maybe, it is a kind of straight right there, I guess. I just don't see myself looking good right now with it. Hold on. How am I gonna put it in? Are the clips right here. I'm gonna open them up, and then I'm gonna put them right there. So I just don't think I look good. Hold on. What if I put it to the side? Am I able to put it to the side? It looks really good as far as how real it looks, but I feel like bangs on me, like straight down bangs, do not look good on me. Still be careful, because again, it's real hair. I like the fact that the sides are long and everything, but one thing I know, I do not look at bangs. Like, what is this? What is this? I try to put it to the side. It's just not looking right for me right now. Even when I don't put it in, like I don't clip it in or anything like that, put it on top of my face, I can see that it's just, my face doesn't go. It just doesn't go. You know what I mean? It just doesn't go. Oh my gosh, such good bangs though. Like, it looks good. It's like well cut and everything. Like, it's just, I just don't look good bangs. Like, I don't look good bangs. At least whatever, I just don't like it. I don't like that look. This is again natural black. In my opinion, aside from what this is supposed to be, this is thick, very good quality, feels amazing. A little bit more to the brown side, so make sure you are careful. This looks brown to me when I'm looking, and I do see a little here and there sticking out of light brown color, a little here, little strands here and there. So make sure you see right there. Make sure you know this is very natural black, brownish color, and it is in natural black, and all the information is right there. So if you're looking for bangs that goes right in the middle right here, these would be good ones. It's very long on the sides, seems like well cut. Of course you can cut more if you know what you're doing. So right now I have the Irresistible Me extensions. Something special about this one. It's what it looks like, the box, right? And comes like this right here, where you can see the hair and feel the hair before you actually open where the hair is, right? This is just where you can test it and see it. And then if you don't like it, you send it back before you touch. Of course, it is real hair. This one's customized. Yes, it's customized, and mine, I'm gonna put all the information right here going up. This is, oh no, oh my goodness. Whatever I asked for, I feel like this is a little bit too light. It's a little longer because of course once I clip this, clipping extensions right around my ear area, it's gonna be longer. It's thick like all the Irresistible Me extensions. It's quite thick, yes. But the only thing's concerning me, I feel like maybe it's just too light. Let's see how this will look if I just curl it in with my hair. I did choose, since it's customized, a natural black for the top, because my hair is natural black at this moment. It's not gonna last for long. Looks like you have literally somebody's hair in your hands. It doesn't look like that fake hair extensions. It looks like you got somebody's hair. Their clip seems very, very short, not too long, but they're very, very sturdy. So you feel like it got a very, very good grip. Like, see how thick this is? This is the 3-clip one. I usually like to just use the 4-clip. So it comes one with the 4-clip. It comes with another one that has 3 clips. 5 that has the 2-clip. 5. 2 that has the 1 clip. And this is what the 1 clip looks like, and this is what they all look like. Oh man, I love it curled. I really do. Okay, all right. For me, I'm just very simple. I'll just get the 4-clip ones. It's very, very thick, so why not? They do set it alone, and you can get 20% off using the code GET20OFF. Not during the holidays. It will work if there's no holiday going around. During the holidays, their sales are off the roof, so of course you can use all year long when they're not on holidays. And of course, I curl the top as well. Divide this so you can be better. Kind of like the color curled in. So if you're scared of color, you know what to do. But yeah, I am ready to go. So yeah guys, that is it. Me trying these customized extensions from Irresistible Me for the first time, and I'll be on my way to the Bible Museum. See you there.